Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys please make sure to subscribe. It will really motivate me to make more such videos for you, and also the channel will be helpful for you. You will be stay updated for all the opportunities, right? So make sure to subscribe our channel. Well, here's the first opportunity that is from Accenture. Accenture is hiring for the role of associate software engineer. Let's go through the job description now. So here they have provided the job description. As an associate software engineer, you would largely be involved in design, build, test, assemble, support, and configure application using business requirements. Understand business drivers that will impact performance and deliver software to those expectations. Bake technology trends into solution. Participate in the development of automation solution, new functionalities and technology, and integrate them in existing solution, responsible for incident resolution and support extended to customers through voice interaction, email, chat, report support and all, right? So we would love you to have ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, multidisciplinary and versatile, good analytical and problem solving skills, and proficient in verbal and communication skills. Take ownership of the successful implementation of the solution, support infrastructure operations, and manage delivery for IT production system and services. Okay, so some like below they have mentioned some preferred skills as well, so you can just go through them, right? So here you can see this is the form that you have to fill. Now this opportunity is not for 2022, let me tell you, right? So if you're from 2021 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. So this is not for 2022, but soon they're gonna organize drive for 2022 as well. We'll be updating you regarding the same. Here is our next opportunity from Mindtree. So C1 software engineer off campus hiring it is. Now eligibility criteria is BE BTech from 2021 pass out only. Branches CSIT circuital branches only. Graduation minimum you need 60% or 6 CGPA. No active arrears, no gap in education throughout the academic tenure. Distance learning or part-time degrees will not be considered. Applicant should be an Indian nationality and must be a resident of India. Deadline to this registration form is 4 p.m. on 24th of December, so make sure to apply before the same. Now they have provided a note as well that invitation to attend the assessment for our software engineer role is at the description of Mindtree based on our internal parameters. Right, so check your email ID and also that you are not providing the incorrect data. So here this is the form given. You have to provide all your details here and you have to submit it. Right. Now let's talk about our next opportunity. So here's our next opportunity from CERN. This is a junior fellowship program. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch. Now here we can see the company description. At CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, physicists and engineers are probing the fundamental structure of the universe using the world's largest and most complex scientific instruments. They study the basic constituents of matter, fundamental particles. What is the job description? So welcome to the junior fellowship program. This program is aimed at graduates from universities or higher technical institute in a wide range of applied sciences, computing and engineering with limited or no work experience. So this opportunity is completely for freshers. So if you're from 2022 batch, you can apply for it. Please note that you are applying for a program, not a job. So it's not a job, right? In order to help us offer you an interesting work project, we recommend that you let us know how your research interest and skill relate to hunts diverse activities. You can include this during the online application process form or in a separate motivation letter. So here they have provided the qualification as well. So let's go through it. So you are a national of a CERN member or associate member state. You have graduated or about to graduate within 6 months from the date of the committee. Additional information also that an employment contract for between 6 months minimum up to 24 months with a possible extension of up to 36 months, a stipend ranging from, so here they have provided a stipend thing as well, coverage by son's comprehensive health scheme for yourself, your spouse and children depending on your individual circumstances, and installation grant, family child and infant allowance, as well as travel expenses to and from Geneva. So this is how you can apply. So if you are interested in the same, then make sure to apply for it. Also, it's not a job, right? We have already discussed about it. And let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Hexaview. Hexaview is hiring for the role of software quality engineer. Experience is fresher, location is Noida. Eligibility criteria, so BTech, MCA, MTech from 2021 batch is eligible. So if you are interested in this opportunity, so this is a simple job application form given where you have to provide your information and you have to apply for the same. Right. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.